Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on personalize based on your inferred identity on your account on X Twitter. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings and privacy, and now click privacy and safety, and here we'll find it, inferred identity setting. Click on it, and here we'll find your personalize based on your inferred identity. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's how to turn on personalize based on your inferred identity. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.